Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I will show you how you can turn off Google Assistant on the smartphone. So at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool, and you have to get the latest version of the firmware for the Google app. So let's find it and hit the update button, and now just be patient and wait. Right now we can open and then move simply to the more, tap on the settings, then click on the Google Assistant, and next we have to scroll down and find the general settings. When you are here, all we have to do is just to tap on the switcher, then confirm, and as you can see, that's how we can turn it off. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!